Hey there, Super Charmers. Welcome back to the Wooist channel. My name is Patrick Wu, and I am the charm coach for Wooist. Now, today I actually lost my voice, and I was still kind of curious if I could get a coffee date with someone if I didn't say one word. So I ended up creating this 4-part t-shirt series where I would flash women in my go-go gadget jacket and see if they would say yes to it. Here's what happened. We've got the goods.
Okay. Sorry to hear that. Okay. I find you okay.
I'm waiting for a meeting. That's why I'm here.
No, I'm on my way to a date right now. Oh, that's so sweet. But I gotta go.
I'm in a relationship, but thank you. That's very sweet.
Like,
Sorry to have tea.
Because I gotta go. I really gotta go, yeah. I'm in a rush. I'm sorry, but that's sweet. Thank you.
she's home.
Gotta go to a T-Mobile store to get her phone bill paid. I think that's what she had to do. This is the foolproof plan, a 4-part t-shirt series that has to work at least one time.
So they were moving.
Yeah, so if they're moving a lot, you probably don't want to be stopping them because energy in motion tends to stay in motion. I did learn something in physics class. I didn't get to why not. Is that enough? You want more? You need to wait for it if you want more. You can't have it all at one time. You need to wait. Just wait. I feel so stupid. Okay. I think she said no, but that's okay. So thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. If you guys enjoyed this video, just click on that like button, that subscribe button, and comment in the sections below how you like to get coffee dates.
Your shirt's crumpled up.
Oh, yeah, it is, huh? Thank you. Thank you for telling me.